you're going back with a second bite of the cherry.
Yeah.
Because Frank was
I already acknowledged that took way too much time to do. These are already no wheelie bars. Yeah. That's right.
Just shy of 200 mile an hour in that little Cortina.
Wheelie bars. Yeah, that's right.
200 mile an hour in that little Cortina. Couple of Toronto's gone, couple of turbo small blocks left in modified street. It is very 730 will do it, and he's got the right tune up and management to do that. Just check this out. 759 and here he is, modified street blowing round tree. It's Profab. Yeah, I think he's going to try it along the sides here. Now, I think he's going to try it along the sides here. Oh, 741. Last run of the night, I think it is. Yes, confirmed from race control. Last pairing of the evening trophies. We have down in the beats a 785. 787. Been shown on the line, man. He's in the stage, ready to go.